My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of fake Microsoft Windows support alerts that come from the random website. These are fake and scary pop-ups. You should not trust them. Such pop-ups are totally faulty and very deceptive. They claim to be related to Windows or Microsoft support, and they quote this number 877-722-9568. However, this is a fake number. It is not related to Windows or Microsoft. You should not tolerate these pop-ups. Don't trust any deceptive content that they report. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on the system. So I recommend you not to tolerate them and not to trust their deceptive nature. First thing you could do and you should do is researching the control panel. If you find any suspicious programs, get rid of them from the list. I would also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.